Hello, this is Ripon Chapel from wpthemehat, and today we are going to explore a new WordPress theme that is called Consik, and you can use this theme for making your construction and architecture website. So if you are looking for a construction and architecture WordPress theme, then this one might fit in your case. This one just got approved a few days ago, so we'll have a look how this theme works here. So this is made by Vicro Themes, and we will have our they are having 3 beautiful home pages. So let's get started on that. And here is the home page 1. You will get a beautiful calculator here for estimating the price. So a gray texture and premium finishing. So this calculator will work like this. And if we go for the homepage 2, let's see how beautiful the homepage 2 is. Here is the homepage 2 overview. So you can have check homepage 3 about page, and we are having here service details, team details, pricing, project and project details page. And with these things you can make your shop page also. So with this shop page you can sell your product from here. So we'll have a check how this design looks like. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool as you have seen here. And you can have that to cart button here and wishlist button here to sell and hot product level 2, and then this. You are having some beautiful shop details, cart and check and my account page. You are having blog and blog details page and the contact page too. So now we will check how we can make this website like this one and edit the content of this WordPress theme. So if you have already downloaded this theme and the sale on sale is going on, it's only $25. So in few days it will increase the price. So it's if you want to buy this, then this is the perfect time to buy it. So for installing this theme, obviously you need to install the WordPress first in your domain, and then if you download the theme, then you will have 4 files there. So that will be the config file. You need to extract this file, and inside this file you will find 4 files: config, then config style, demo data and documentation. So you need to install this file. So for installing this file we need to go here, appearance, then add new theme, and then you need to click on upload theme and go here. Then from the 4 files you need to choose this config and drag and drop this file here and click on install now. After completing the installation, you need to click on here the activate button, and then you can have a pre-look here that how my website is looking. So by installing that theme, you will have this stuff here. Like after activating your theme, you need to click on here begin installing plugins, then select all the plugins and click on install, then click on apply button. After completing the installation, we need to click on here return to required plugin installer. Then we need to select all the plugins again and bulk select the activate button and click on the apply button. Then we will click on return to the dashboard. Then the Elementor setup prompt will come. We don't need to set up anything here. So we'll give the cross button here. Now these things will be like this. We don't need to be worried. So we will go on here in the appearance. Then for we need to import the demo data that we are seeing in here. We need to make it first, then we will modify this content, and we'll learn how we can modify this content for homepage 1, 2 or about page or other pages, or how to edit the product, how you can make your blog post. Okay, So for importing the demo data, we need to go here appearance, then import demo data. Then from here we need to click on here the import demo data button. Then it will come like this, and you need to click on here continue and import. After a few times, your demo import will be completed. Now we will go on our live site and give a refresh to check how our website is looking right now. So I'll give a refresh now. And you can see in the home page, we are having a beautiful slider as we have seen in our this website. And here's a beautiful Offcanvas. And the sections that we have seen in the demo that has been imported successfully here. And this is the price tab that has been built with the contact form 7. So you can maintain that too. And we are having some things now to do. After completing the demo import, we need to do these things. So we will go on the settings, then go to the permalinks. Then after that, we need to select on the post name, then click on save changes button. And after that, we need to go here in the Elementor settings. Then disable default colors and disable default fonts. We will check these two and click on save changes button. And in the feature tabs, we will go here and inline font icons. We will click it on inactive and click on save changes button. So after completing the demo import, these things are mandatory. You need to do these things. After that, you can refresh your page here. And if there is some issue reason uh, in your page, then it will be solved automatically. Na? So we'll go to the home page 2 now. And you can see the demo is perfectly fine here. And we will go to the shop page also, and you will see in the shop page URL, the URL is at the left bottom is shop 2, but that is not the actual URL. It will go for a blank page. The actual URL is shop. It is like this because 2 page has been created, that's why it is like this. So here's the shop page, and in here you will see a design broken is here. So for fixing this, we need to do some tricks here. So as you can see, this is a wish list things. So we'll need to go here in the TI wish list, then export import. Then in the import file, we need to go here in our uh, demo data folder, and you need to extract that. And inside the demo data, you will find a folder called wish list, and inside the wish list, you will find the settings for this wish list things. So we'll drag and drop it and place it here and click on import. After import, we will click on the save button here, and after that, we will go here and give a refresh. And after that, the wish list button that will be fixed. So this is the mandatory things that after completing the demo import, we need to do. Now it's time to check how we can edit our content here. Like suppose how we can edit the header of this homepage, how we can edit the footer of this homepage, and how we can edit the slider. Then some content we'll check, and how to build the projects here. So we'll check that. So for the header builder, we are having two parts. One is called global header and one is called a specific header or footer. So as I shown you the header, how to edit the header, that is the same process to edit the footer also. So For edit the specific header, you will see this is a home page, and you need to hover on edit with Elementor, and here you will see three things: footer 2 of canvas and header 1. So the off canvas you see here, that is also coming from the Elementor, and that is coming from here in the Consik builder. Then you can see here the off canvas builder, and you can see the off canvas, and that content is coming from here, this area. So we will go over details on that also, but before that, if you hover on that, you will see some things, and if you click on header 1 here, and I am opening it in a new tab, so you can see it properly now. So you are seeing this is fully blank because it is a transparent header, and the text is also white, that's why it is like this. So for editing this, you need to go here in open the navigator here, and you will see the content how this is maintaining. You can see the logo here white, we can select the dark also, and you can see the update here, and if I give the update, then you will see here the white logo will convert into black, as you can see. And you can change the header top content also. So in the icon list, you can see here the icon and then the text. So if I remove the construction text from here and give the update, then you will see the construction text will be removed, and by this way you can edit this header too. And there is another things, as I told you that the of canvas area. So if you click on this icon, then the select of canvas, this area will come, and you need to select the off canvas name, that is called off canvas, that is created here. As you can see, the title is off canvas. So by click here edit with Elementor, you can edit the off canvas content that we are seeing here. So in here you can see the image dark, and we can make it into the white one, but I don't think white one will go mix here, so I will keep it to dark. And you are having the social icons, so style 1, you can have style 2 also, no? So if I give update and give a refresh here and check to see the changes, you can see the social is completely changed, and the gallery post you can also change this, and the map also. So for editing that things, you need to edit all the contents, or you can add or remove anything from this Elementor sections. So I'll remove it, and this is the header part that and for the mobile menu, I need to show you that for editing the mobile menu, you need to go on here with the responsive mode, then click on here, then you can see the mobile menu. And if I hide this panel, then you can see the real view of these things. So for mobile menu editing, you need to click on here, and you can see, you can choose the mobile logo here, and the link, and then the menu background color, and the alignment of this menu na. So you can change the logo here from here, and you can set the, if I go on responsive view here, in here, and click on here, you will see the mobile menu here is coming. And for maintaining this mobile menu, you need to go here appearance, then click on menus, and then in the menu you will see a header menu, and the assigned location is primary menu and the mobile menu. So the mobile menu you are seeing here, that is coming from this one. So if you make changes here, this one will changes in two places. One is this header menu, header top menu, and one is this mobile menu. If you want that two separate menu will works for one for mobile and one for the header, then you just need to remove this from the mobile menu and place it for the primary menu. Then it will not work for the mobile menu, then you need to create a new one and assign that menu for the mobile menu. That's the way to maintain the mobile menu and the header menu. So okay, as you can see, we have set this header as a particular of this home page. Now suppose you are not wanting to set this header as this home page, so you want to change it for that you need to click here in the edit with Elementor button. And after loading the page with the Elementor, you need to click here in the settings tab and in the header options. Then in the header options, you need to select the header builder and the header name. So header name is right now 01. So I will choose the header 2 as our home page header. So after that, we'll click on the update. Then you can click here with the preview changes, or you can refresh that page, and you can see the header has been changed, and this header is not for made for this slider now, that's why it is coming like this. So we'll test with the header 3 if it is compatible with the homepage 1. So you can see the other header also, but it is not also compatible with this one now, so it is not fitting here. So we'll, as I know, I just need to show that how this header is coming from. So I will go back to the header 1 again and click on the update button. And then we are back with the default header here, and if we check to the header home 2 and home 3, then you will see that you will see the header here that is compatible with this slider and home 3 slider in this slider. So that's why that was not loading on that header perfectly on this home page perfectly. So this way you can set the header, and this same way you can control the footer too. So for maintaining the footer for a specific home page, you will need to click on the settings again, and you will see the footer options, and from the footer options you will see the enable footer and footer style, and you can select the footer name. So we are having 3 footer here, so I'll set it to footer 3 and click on the update button. And you will see the footer has been changed also. As you can see that this one is the was the previous footer, and this is the current footer right now. So for editing this footer, what you need to do for a specific home page 1 or home page 2 or any other, so you will need to hover on the edit with Elementor button, then click on the specific footer that you want to edit. So this one is loading now the footer 3, so I will click on the footer 3 now. And after that you will have the options in the Elementor, and you can click here on the logo, then you can choose which one you want to set here. You can edit the text, you can edit the social icons from here, you can change the copyright text, you can change the menu here of the footer, you can change this menu here, and you can have the options to change your email address and the icon and the stuffs that you want. You can change the background color from here and the background image also. So it's totally depend on you how you want to edit this content with the Elementor. So after finishing the editing, then you need to click on the update button, and your changes will be applied on your specific home page. Now it's time to edit the global header or footer now. So suppose like in the contact page or in the blog page, you will see the same header and the same footer now. The same header and the same footer. The footer is same here and the footer is same here. Or even in the, if I go to the shop page, so this is coming from the global footer and global header options. Global header and global footer option. So you can maintain this from one place, and that place is, you need to go here in the Consik options, then you will see the header part, and from here you can select the global header and global footer. So for the header selections, you will have these options, and you can select the header that you want to set on the contact page, on the blog page, or in the shop page. or in the about or service details, I means all the inner pages that is not having the specific header or footer. So from here you can set that header, and for editing header too you need to go here in the Consik builder and the header builder. So I'll open it in a new tab. You will see 3 header is available right now. Also for the footer, so you will go on the footer. 3 footer is available now for this template, or you can make a new one to make your website. No? And for changing the global footer, you need to go on the footer. Here's the footer, and you can select the footer builder and the footer that you want to set as globally. So if I now change the contact page or the blog page footer, if I change it here, then you will see the changes. So like if I change it from footer to footer 02 and click on save changes, then we'll check how this has changed. As you can see, this has completely changed. So if I go give it the refresh on the blog page, it is completely changed to another footer. So now we'll check how we can edit some content of our slider. Now we'll check how we can edit this the content of this homepage. So I'll click on here edit with Elementor button. After clicking with edit with Elementor, here you will see these things first, then you will need to click here, click in the specific area that you want to edit. So here you will get the options to change the content here. You change the background, you can change the this image, you can change the title, content, and the stuff button URL. So all the stuff, and you can set the autoplay that you want to set autoplay or not. You are having the options to edit this title and content. So you will get all the options here to change, and you will get this quality service content to change here from the tab that you are seeing in the left side, and you are having some style here, to style for the service slider, and you will get this project sections. So in the project section you can select some version. So there is 3 version available for us, and in the query you can select the number of posts that you, and this project is coming from here in the project tab that you are seeing. So I will click on the project tab, and you can see if I go on here and give a detail click, then you will see what happened. If I click here in the building construction, then you will go to the details page. And how this details page is made, this details page has been made with the Elementor. So first if you want to add a new project, so you can click here add new button, or we are having 11 existing projects, you can click on edit first. After clicking the edit one, then you can set the exact text of this project. And then you can click here edit with Elementor button for changing the content of this. So as you can see, this is the life science centered one. So we'll check how we can edit this one. So this is made with Elementor completely now. So you will have the options like this, and you can edit all the content that you see here. So you can edit all the images, you can give the text and the title, and you can set the featured image also for, as you can see here in the featured image. So for changing this featured image, you will got the options for here in the featured image area. You will have the option, so you can upload your image from here. After making the changes, you can click on the update. As you have seen, I have not made any kind of changes here, that's why the update is not coming. So from here you can edit all the projects that you want to edit, and you can set your content here. You can made the changes here with the latest post or selected post. So you can see here the secure online persona and the crafting mode names, that two post is coming right now. And if I add a new one like life science center, then that one is also coming. After making the changes, you can click on the update button. And we are having some slider settings also. You can make it autoplay true or false. And in the team sections, we are having some versions here, 3 versions, and slider and grid options too. You can show how many slide to show. You can on the autoplay here. So these are the basic settings that you can do. Now it's time to make this price sections here, as you can see. So in the tab 1 and in the tab 2, you will see the contact form shortcut. So we will click on here the update button and see how this is working for the contact form. Now you can see the contact form shortcode that is coming from here. So we'll go here in the contact, and you will see the shortcode name, that is step form 1. So this is step form 1 and this is step form 2. So by editing these two forms, you can actually have edit this area here. As you can see, this is changing with the estimated price, and you can select the area, you can select the room from where, or the number of room or the bathroom. So you can change this text also now. So it's totally depend on you, that how you want to edit your content. And here's the blog post, and blog post is coming from, I hope you guys know this all, it is coming from the post area. So we are having some post, pre-made post, you can edit that, or you can customize it by yourself like you want. And you can edit the post with the Elementor also. So by these things, you can edit your homepage content. I hope you get it clear. And in the shop page, as I show you, you are having some details also. You are getting the shop details page here. You will have the review. You are having the related products. And if I click on the, let it show that how this add to cart is working. So if I click on add to cart, then this will come, then you can view cart here, and you will get a beautiful cart page. And if you want to that your client want to add more product in the cart, then he can click on plus, and he will have these options, and he can click on proceed to checkout with the Ajax now. And here's a beautiful things that is been made here. So after that, he can place the order. And you are having the blog page, and in the contact page there is a contact form. So you can edit this contact form here. So I'll show you that how you can add a new one here in the contact form. So for checking which contact form is coming, we need to click here with edit with Elementor button. And after clicking with edit with Elementor, we need to select this form. And as you can see here, contact form 3 is our one. Here is coming. So we will go here in the contact again, and in the contact form 3. So we will go here with the edit. And in the contact form, if suppose you wanting to add a phone number, email, or a fax number, na? So you want to add a fax number. Let me do it for you now. Here you need to copy this full area, one full area that is already having. So I'll copy the full area and paste it here. And in the text area, as you can see, oh no, not the text area copy. So we'll go here in the upper one, and we'll copy a phone number area. After that, we'll copy that and paste it here. And in the telephone, as you can see, this line we need to remove it from here. and we'll input a text, and it will be required field, and we'll say set fax number. Okay, fax number, and I will select that use this text as a placeholder of this field, and after that I don't need to add any classes. So I'll copy this shortcode and cross this one, and I will paste this shortcode here. And as you can see, we are having a icon here, so I'll keep it as a mobile icon. I don't need to change, and after the making the change, I will click on here the save button. And in here, if I refresh now in the contact page, then you will see a new fax number form that has been added successfully in our form. By this way, you can you can remove this content. You can remove this content also from here. So this way you can edit the complete template by your way. So this is how you can make changes through the templates. You can make your website beautiful, and if you have any kind of question, please comment down below, or you can ask any question through our support system. Thank you very much. We'll see in our next video. Tata, bye bye.